Welcome to Java Forum. So in this video we are going to see how to set or change the icon name in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 operating system. So first I am logging as a root user in terminal. So type the command hostnamectl. So here you can see that some icon name is already available there. So you can either modify this icon name as per your needs. So but there are some predefined icon names available. You can't set any icon name like that. So please refer the hostnamectl command man pages for more icon names. Okay, so I am just setting the icon name as computer-desktop using this command hostnamectl space set icon space icon name. So once again I am putting back the icon name, that is I am modifying once again. Yes, so this is the way you can set the icon name of computer in RHEL 9 using hostnamectl command.